So here we are, just leaving the campsite on the way into Blackpool, and it's great to see Ian and Zephyr back on the road after 3 years. This tour didn't really involve much driving apart from getting to Blackpool itself, and it's named the Lucas Isn't Bored Tour, and is in honour of our friend Lucas Allen, who's the son of good friends of ours who regularly come on tour. And Lucas is often bored, as youngsters are on these things. So we thought we'd dedicate the day to him, and we'd have a full day ahead of go-karting, fairground, 10-pin bowling. So what follows is a group of middle-aged men and women trying to keep up with a fit and healthy young lad on all these activities. And yes, we did pay the price with aches and pains at the end. The main man himself. And here's myself as one half of Team Tubbs. And it's dastardly Nick Arthur. Motto, win at all costs. It's Keith Crasher McGovern. Big respect for Lorraine. I've never driven a go-kart in my life before. Alan. It's Ian Windy Woodward as the second half of Team Tubbs. And last but not least, it's Phil. I will not be beaten by my 14-year-old son, Alan. Hot on your tail, Lucas, but I think my car's got a weight disadvantage. And I needed power steering. Oops, bit of a last-minute late brake collision there. On reflection, my kart actually needed 3 engines. We definitely benefited from power steering and a more comfy seat, but what a good laugh. After giving it everything I had for 28 laps, I was physically exhausted, and my arms, I just could not turn the steering wheel anymore. So I was the first to retire. Only 2 laps, as it turns out, from the finish. But I was quite pleased with the effort, and even though I did retire 2 laps early, somehow I came 4th out of 7th. But there we are. All respect to Keith here. He's 73 years old and gamely had a go at it all the way around, and even did one more lap than me. Phil and Lucas on the bumper cars right inside Blackpool Pleasure Beach.
A girl in the green top got Lucas to shoot it.
I don't remember the Grand National being that tight when I was younger. I mean, there's no chance of me or Lucas falling out the car, that's for sure. The whole gang on Icon, well, apart from me and Keith, who sensibly stayed and just recorded, and you can see the look of fear on those faces.
Come on, guys, it's a raincoat, not the Krypton factor. I disagree.
You're braving it.
Yeah, I'm going to go in. I don't care if I get soaked.
It's going to be very cold.
Yeah. Give us a smile, guys. Lucas. Too late, it's not going to get it.
And falling of dust. Camera away now.
Yeah, I know.
You probably get a message on your phone.
Rubbish.
We're really good at this game. Right, sit down everybody, I'll show you how to play, okay? You put me off now, if it's busy, it's good.
That's my fault. Okay, sorry. Just a
straight in the gutter.
Right, I've got one important question to ask. Have you been bored today?
Oh.
Hooray!
Success!
Sorted.